Make party ham rolls. If you're planning to have a party and you're thinking what foods to serve your guests, why not add party ham rolls on your list? These are very quick and easy to make, and the taste will surely please your guests. You can also prepare these several days before the actual party, so you'll definitely have ample time to do these. These are also great for snacks or just any time you feel hungry and you want to eat light. Here are the steps on how to make party ham rolls. Prepare the things that you will need in making party ham rolls. These are cutting board, knives, spatula, bowl, party rolls, 2 packs, Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon, butter, 1 stick, onion, 2 tablespoon, minced, Swiss cheese, 2 ounce, grated, deli ham, 12 ounce, boiled, poppy seed, 2 tablespoon, and mustard. Before making the ham rolls, make sure to soften the butter in a small bowl so that it will be easier to mix with the ingredients, then set aside. Mix ingredients. Cut the ham into small fine pieces. Get a large mixing bowl and put the minced ham. Get the small bowl that contains the butter that you softened earlier. Add this to the ham on the large bowl. The next thing you need to add is grated cheese, followed by minced onion, then poppy seed. Add Worcestershire sauce on the bowl and stir the ingredients to mix properly. Lastly, add mustard according to your preference. You can also add mustard until the mixture turns light yellow in color. Prepare the rolls. Get a pack of party rolls and remove the rolls from the package. Put these on top of the chopping board. Get a bread knife and use this to cut the rolls in the middle so that you will have the top and bottom part. These should be equal to each other. Don't cut the rolls into smaller pieces yet. Carefully remove the top layer so that you can put the ham mixture on the bottom part of the rolls. Get some of the ham mixture on the large bowl and spread this on the bottom part of the roll. Make sure to spread this evenly. Once done spreading the ham mixture, you can now put the top part of the rolls back. Get another pack of party rolls and repeat the steps to make more party ham rolls. Wrap and fridge party ham rolls. Now that you're done making your party ham rolls, you can store this to use for the party. If the party will be held on the next day, you can wrap the party ham rolls and put these on the fridge. If you will be using these within 3 months, you need to tightly wrap these to put on the freezer. If you will be serving these immediately, you can cut the rolls to smaller pieces and heat using microwave. This will only be quick because you will only be melting the cheese. After a few seconds, remove these from the microwave and serve to your guests. If you have leftover for the parties, you can always wrap these and put on the freezer so you can eat these for the next few months. If you feel hungry, get some of the rolls and heat using microwave.